windy day by Solid Free Thompson Bross. Hi, I'm Emily Elizabeth, and this is my Clifford, my big red dog. He always tries to make me happy. One day I was painting a picture of Clifford in Birdswell Island Park. I was almost finished when the wind blew my painting up and away. Clifford ran after it. But he didn't see Mr. Beakman, who was feeding some squirrels. Oops, sorry, Mr. Beakman. Clifford saw my painting drift towards Sheriff Lewis, so Clifford followed it. Sheriff Lewis was eating a yummy cupcake, but when Clifford went running through, he both got to taste some too. Painting flew towards the playground. Clifford finally caught it. He was so excited he didn't see Jetta. Uh-oh. Again, Clifford was very sorry. I was happy to get my painting back, but everyone else was mad. Clifford should look where he's going. He makes a mess. Clifford didn't mean to cause trouble. He just wanted to get my painting for me. Everyone gathered on the pier. What's going on? He wondered. He looked towards the sea. It was a tornado, and it was heading towards Birdswell Island. What are we going to do? We cried. We were all scared, except Clifford, that is. My big, brave red dog swam out into the sea. He took a deep breath and blew the tornado far, far away from Birdswell Island. Was safe. Clifford may have caused a little trouble that day, but in the end he was a hero. Hooray for Clifford!